Alright guys, so I have seen many of the people who actually know how to do the proper product research for Amazon FBA, like how to find the product ideas, how to make a list of that product, and how to find all of those products who are actually performing well. But they actually don't know like how to identify a good product, like how to identify either this product is highly profitable or not, either this product is in high demand or low competition or not, like what are the qualities or what are the factors that make a product a winning product. So today I thought I should make a video on that and clear all of your confusion about the winning product. Like it's super easy to find a product idea from YouTube, from Amazon, from Jungle Scout, or from any other tool like AMG Scout, Helium 10, and it's super easy to make a list of those products. But the main problem actually comes when you start doing some more research on that product, start working on the sourcing of that product, and at the end of the week, by doing a lot of hard work, you might ending up with a confusion like either this product will perform well or not. So if that is the case with you, then no need to worry, because I'm here to tell you all of the tips, tricks and strategies which I personally use to identify a product, either this product will sell in future or not. Like I'll be explaining you each and every factor which I basically see. I basically check before finalizing a product, like how I check the trend of that product, how I check the competition of that product, and how I predict like if this product will give me profit or not, like if this product will sell throughout the year or not, like how to check the sales history of that product and everything. So this video is going to be a detailed video about product research, like not only the product research, but like how to finalize your product after research. So all the information step by step you will get in this video. So keep on watching. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on Amazon.com right now, and here in another window I have just opened AMG Scout, which is a super cool tool, and I use this tool to basically do a product research. But you can just use any tool to find a product and make a list of that product. And after creating that list, I'm going to show you how you can actually evaluate and verify like if this product will work or not. So now I have just signed into my AMG Scout account, and here on this product research section, I just need to click on this product database, because AMG Scout product database is actually a very good database in which we can find many of the products which are having high demand and low competition. So let's first find 2-3 products from here, and then I'll show you how to evaluate them. So let's just put some filter from here, like I need a product in home and kitchen category. Let's not make it too broad, make it narrow, and apply on that category. And on this more filter tabs, let's just put some filter, like I want a product which is having at least $30 price that can give me more profit, and estimated sales I need at least 300 per month, and rating I need at least 4, like not below that, and estimated monthly revenue I need $5,000, and reviews I don't need more than 400. Okay, so after putting all of those value according to my criteria, just click on find products. So now as you can see here, AMG Scout is loading these products, and here I can see all of those products which are fulfilling my criteria and my category. Now we need to scroll down and pick some product from here to make a list of those products, and then we will analyze and finalize which product is good or which product is bad. Because AMG Scout is only showing us the product which is based on our criteria, which we have just tell AMG Scout. But now after this, we need to use our human brain to identify that product. Is this product worth selling on Amazon or not? So now let's go down. This product is good, but let's wait. Let's scroll down and find some more products. Here, no, yeah, open this one. Now go down, open this one, go down, and keep scrolling until we find a very good product that basically catches my eye. Portable blender, no, it's too old product. If we go down, okay, click this one. So now the first step to evaluate is we must need to check out like if this product can make profit or not. So here we can see that this is a product, like it's an outdoor rug. Okay, so now move on to the next product, which is this one, like sublimation glass blank with bamboo lids. Okay, so these are the good product. Like this product is having selling price $98, and this product is having selling price $50. Okay, so now let's start working on this product. So let's just first check the revenue of this product, like how much sale this product is getting at 40 reviews. Because as we can see that this product is having 40 reviews and is still getting number one new release batch and having good sales. That means for this product, there is a room for new sellers. That's why this seller is on top and getting good revenue. So let's just find out the main keyword of this product. So 8-pack sublimation glass blank with lid. Okay, sublimation glass blanks with bamboo lid. So copy this, go on Amazon and paste this keyword from here. Alright, so here we can see that these are all the same product for this keyword, and here the good thing about this is that all of the top seller are having less reviews, like 25 reviews, 5 review, 18 review and 132 reviews. And let's go down and see. Okay, no seller is having thousands of review. That means the number one point is clear, like this product is having low competition. Now check the revenue. So if we go up and just on the AMG Scout Chrome extension, so that will fetch the revenue of all of those sellers. So right now number one point is clear, like these are low competition. And now we are checking the revenue. If revenue will be good, that means high demand and low competition. So the first 2 points will be fulfilled. So it has already fetched the data. You can see that this seller is having $10,000 revenue, $2,000 revenue, $12,000, $3,000, $17,000, $5,000, $18,000, 1,400, 35,000. All right, so the revenue seems good, like between 2,500 to 12,000 revenue is the average revenue. And it depends on the reviews. Like all of those sellers who are having high reviews and are old seller, they are getting good revenue, and all of those sellers who are having low reviews and they are new sellers, so they are getting less revenue. But the revenue for all of those new sellers is also good. Like the seller which is having 40 reviews and launched 2 months ago, and he is getting $6,000 to $7,000 revenue. That means it's a very good sign. So all of those new sellers having less reviews are getting good amount of revenue and sale. That means it's a plus point. Like there is a room to grow for new seller in this product. So if this is a good point, that means you can just dive into that product, because there is a gap in the market for this product for new sellers as well. So not only old sellers are getting good revenue, all new sellers are also getting good revenue. So now this is the estimated revenue column, and here you can see that the revenue is amazing. Like if we go down, so there are some sellers who are actually getting $75,000 revenue, $60,000 revenue, because I have just sorted the revenue column. So here you can see that, for example, if we pick this seller having $99,000 revenue and open that listing, so we can see that this is the seller having 290 reviews. Like 290 reviews are not very less and not very high. Like this can be achievable, and this seller is actually selling around $99,000 revenue per month. And if we go down, so we can just find out the date which the seller actually launched this product. So this date was 13 April 2022, like 1 year before. Like not 1 year, it's like 9 months. And you can see that the BSR in the main category is 5,800. So it's a very, very good sign for this product. Like this product is actually giving new seller an opportunity to grow. Like all of those sellers who are having less review are getting good revenue and huge revenue. So from my point of view, this product is a good to go in terms of demand and competition. But there's still one thing which we need to verify before finalizing this product, which is profit. So at this point, we just need to go on Alibaba.com and find a supplier for this product and then do the profit calculation. If this product will give us 25% profit after the shipping, after all of the expenses, then I can just do this product. But for example, if this product is not giving me good profit, then no matter how much good this product is, how much high demand this product is having, how much low competition this product is having, if this product is not giving me good profit, then I can reject this product. So for the pack of 6 can glass, it's selling for $32. So copy the main title and paste that title on Alibaba. So here at this point, we are just doing a rough work, not getting any quotations from supplier. Just go through Alibaba page and see at what price they are giving. So for example, if we go down, so we can see that this seller is selling for $0.78 for 1 jar and $0.96, $0.5, $0.75. So on an average, we can get at $0.75 per jar. So if we open a calculator and here 0.75 multiplied by 6, so so we can just get $4.5 for pack of 6, and if we just add $2 for shipping, let's say, so it will be a $6.5 with shipping from China to USA. So if we order 500 units at this price, so if we are getting at $6.5 with shipping, and if we add the storage fee, if we add the referral fee and advertisement fee, still this number is too much high. Like if we are getting for $6.5 and let's say add $3 for referral fee, FBA fee and advertisement fee, still we can get more than $8 to $9 profit on this product. So at this point, these are the main 3 things which I check. Like it must be in high demand, it must be in low competition, condition, like new seller must be getting good revenue and it must get at least 25% profit or more than that. So at this point, this product is fulfilling all of those criteria. That means it's a high demand and low competition product, and we can just take a chance to launch this product and see how this product performs. Alright, so now at this point, I hope you have a complete knowledge about how you can actually evaluate the product before you start selling that product on Amazon. So right after watching this video, go there, evaluate all of your product and make a decision wisely so you can actually get more and more profit in future. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.